For use on luggage while traveling. Small lock is best used for backpacks, bags, briefcases, and luggage. Not intended for outdoor use. Set your own 3-digit combination lock for luggage, tool chests, storage cases and more. Convenient front access luggage lock set is ideal for those with multi-luggage travel. Same key opens both locks. Keyed alike. Same key opens all locks. TSA luggage lock features a metal body for durability and shrouded steel shackle for cut resistance. 1 in. Wide lock body, 1/8 in. Diameter shackle with 9/16 in length, 7/16 in width. Available in blue, pink, purple, silver, randomly selected at time of shipment. Allows TSA screeners to inspect and relock baggage, without damaging the lock. Recognized in 29 countries globally. 1 inch, 25 mm, wide durable metal body. Convenient front access keyway. Bright colors simplify baggage identification. Keyed alike. Same key opens both locks. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy lock. I traveled with it and being thrown around, it held up very well. I would buy again.